In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best tonneau cover for Chevy Colorado available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The MAXMATE and Tiger Auto Soft Trifold truck bed covers share an undeniable resemblance, so I had to try this one, too. In addition to copying the looks, I was happy to discover that it also copies the functionality. The cover is designed to fit the 5-feet bed Chevy Colorado from 2015 and onwards, and it's incredibly easy to install. That's probably what made me think this was worth recommending. I was done setting it up in less than 10 minutes because it came pre-assembled with all the necessary hardware. The T3-inspired design of the cover includes a marine-grade vinyl tarp and an aluminum frame with horizontal crossbars. Besides adding structural integrity, the latter also folds along with the cover to make everything easier. I really like the Velcro straps along the edges. It makes it easy to keep the cover tight and wrinkle-free, and it makes it even easier to prevent water from seeping underneath the cover. I am not convinced of their durability, though, even though they have never let me down. Tonneau covers have long featured soft tri-folding models, so you shouldn't be surprised to see another such option on my list. Chevrolet Colorados with 6-feet beds built between 2004 and 2012 are in luck. This Tonneau Pro cover is an affordable option worth checking out. It's important to keep in mind that, despite its low cost, this Chevy Colorado bed cover offers unbeatable quality wrapped up in a stylish, tri-fold design. Vinyl tarps on their own seem durable enough, but the frame keeps everything in place and adds structure. The design of the cover is unique because the 3 sections are hinged together, making it easy to fold while also providing protection from the elements. In addition, the weather sealing does a good job and is able to withstand even heavy downpours. It didn't require any tools to complete the installation. As a result, even a first-time installer shouldn't have trouble setting up the clamp-on system in less than 5 to 10 minutes. A Chevy Colorado hard tonneau cover is the best way to protect your investment if you own a 2015 to 2022 Chevy Colorado. However, the BAKFlip MX4 is one of the best truck upgrades you can buy. Functionality, security, and simplicity are the main selling points of this cover and why I think so highly of it. Designed to be scratch and UV resistant, the aluminum panels can handle up to 400 pounds and are so robust and reliable they can withstand heavy loads. Additionally, they provide excellent theft protection and withstand any outdoor element. It's surprisingly easy to install and operate. You can open it from either side, even when the tailgate is up. There are buckles on each fold, so you can access the bed of the truck however much or little you like. For truck owners who live an active lifestyle and are always on the go, it is a convenient option. It comes at a hefty price, of course. Additionally, if you've spent quite a bit of money on your truck, you'd be wise to pay a bit more to protect that investment. It's highly recommended that you consider the Gator EFX if you're interested in hard truck bed covers, but do not have the budget for the back I already showed you. At a fraction of the price, it offers the same features and functionality. Firstly, it is as easy to install and operate as it gets for a cover on rails. With the clamp-on system, you'll be able to install it securely with no invasive tools. Using turn knob bolts, the cover itself is tightened by hand. Additionally, I like the sleek design and the flush fit, and most importantly, how tough and rugged it felt. Aluminum panels make up both the top and bottom of the cover, and an UV and scratch-resistant powder finish increases durability. Your stuff is kept out of sight and out of mind with this automatic lock. You can adjust the cover 2/3 of the way if you want 100% access to the truck bed. If you want the cover open fully, the lid only opens 2/3. It has a water management system, inner drain tubes, and rubber seals around the perimeter that keep any water away from the truck's bed. The only downside is that if you want 100% access to the truck bed, you have to remove the cover. Another soft roll-up Chevy Colorado tonneau cover worth considering if you don't want to break the bank is the North Mountain. Although this tonneau cover isn't cheap or flimsy, it ensures continued effectiveness regardless of how extreme the weather conditions are or how often you use it, all without going overboard. Built-in crossbars make the cover durable enough to withstand harsh weather conditions thanks to the flat surface, double-sided vinyl tarp, which is tear resistant, UV resistant, and cold resistant. Further, it's easy to use, which makes it even more functional. One of my favorite things about the one-piece design is that you can move it out of the way when you open the bed of your truck. Also, it lays on top of the bed rails of the truck, which helps with water drainage and minimizes the risk of rain getting into the bed of your truck. While the installation is generally considered straightforward, I should warn you that some trial and error is required to get the positioning just right. As well, it doesn't take up space in the actual truck bed. From there, everything goes smoothly. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.